This question is asking us to solve the equation and write the answer in interval notation, in set notation. So let's start by moving everything over to the one side. It's going to give us x squared minus 3x minus 19 equals 0. So this doesn't factor nicely. This is our only factor, and that doesn't multiply to get, so it doesn't add together to become -3. So this isn't going to be a good option. The next thing I think I would do is go ahead and complete the square. I don't like to use the quadratic formula. I feel like it's really cumbersome. So I usually try to see if there's something a little bit easier we can do. And I think trying to complete a square would be the next easiest thing. So we need to create a -3. So two numbers that multiply to create -3, I'm thinking that are going to be 1.5 plus -1.5. Those multiply to become -2.25. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take x squared minus 3x minus 19 plus 2.25 equals 2.25. And now I can go ahead and move some things around. So I've got x squared minus 3x plus 2.25 equals 19 plus 2.25. And now I can factor this out. I've got x minus 1.5 squared equals 21.25. So now we take the square root of both sides. And that's going to give us x equals 1.5 plus or minus the square root of 21.25. Now this isn't very nice yet since we've got decimals. So let's go ahead and get rid of those. This gives us x equals 3/2 plus or minus. To turn this into a whole number, you can see we've got a 0.25 here. So let's multiply this by 4, and that's going to give us a whole number. So that equals 85. So we've got the square root of 85 and over 4, because we multiplied by 4. And so now we can simplify a little further. It's going to give us 3/2 plus or minus square root of 85 over 2. And now these are the same denominator, so we can combine these. We're going to get 3 plus or minus square root of 85 all over 2.